Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Huja Ramadhani and my ID number A12124-207. And here I will present a video about how to do an effective public speaking. Alright, before we start, I would like to share a little bit about public speaking in this first slide. So, guys, public speaking is something that many people find challenging, including myself. But it is also an important skill that we can all learn and improve. Now, let's move to the second slide. So guys, let me ask you first, have you ever feel nervous when speaking in front of many people? Yes, me too. I think most of us have experienced that, right? And that's completely normal. But here's the key, public speaking is not about perfection. It's about connection. And the goal is not to be flawless, but to make your audience feel connected with you. So guys, after we know that public speaking is about connection, and the next step is to focus on one idea. Why is this important? Because if we give too many things at once, the audience might get confused. So guys, we can see in this slide that there are 2 points. So the first one is clear main point, and the second one is avoid too much info. Alright, about clear main point, so we need to have one clear main idea. If we give too many points, the audience will be confused. For example, if we talk about reading, just focus on the benefits of reading, not others' hobbies. And the second point is about avoid too much info. So guys, do not to give too much information at all time because the audience cannot remember everything. For example, it's better to explain 2 and 3 simple points clearly than 10 points that make people confused. Alright, now let's move to the fourth slide about make people care. On this slide, we have 3 important points. And the first is use a short story, and the second give examples, and the third share something valuable. Alright, sometimes I feel nervous when I stand in front of the class because my English still weak, and this is not the major I want before. But at first, I even thought to give up. But after 2 semesters, I realized that I can do it step by step. And this is my short story. And a story can make people listen. Alright? And the second, we can use examples. For instance, public speaking is just like learning English. The more we practice, the better we become, not perfect, but better. And the last, always share something valuable, even if the process is hard. One day, I believe I can pass it more easily. So, when we speak in public, our audience will care if we tell a story, give examples, and share something meaningful. So guys, after we know how to make people care, and the next step is to pay attention to some simple tips and that can make our public speaking better. So guys, on this slide, we can see there are four points. The first is dress well and stand confident. So guys, Look neat and stand tall so people trust you. When you look confident, the audience will also feel confident in you. And the second is use simple slides. So guys, make your slide clear. Not too much text. Simple slide help the audience focus on your explanation, not just reading the screen. And the three about practice and rehearse. Repeat your speech many times before presenting. Practice makes you more fluent and it is also helps reduce nervousness. And the last is show enthusiasm. So guys, can you smile, use energy and show that you enjoy speaking? If you are excited, the audience will also feel your positive energy. Alright guys, this is the last slide about conclusion. So guys, from all the slide, we can see that effective public speaking needs three things. The first is one clear idea, and the second, make the audience care, and third, deliver it well. But remember guys, all of this will not be effective if we are afraid to try. So don't focus on being perfect, focus on making connection. And the more we practice, the more confident we will become step by step. We can all be better at public speaking. So guys, I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention and I hope we can all improve our public speaking skills together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.